boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device, no matter where you are in this beautiful world of ours. Thank you very, very much for joining me. My friends, as you know, I'm not a stockbroker, I'm not a money manager, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I do research, I write books, I put them in black and white. Books like Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, where I list over 40 stocks. I also have a strategy in there that you can use in any market for the rest of your life, my friends. My friends, Promising Medical Marijuana and CBD Treatments, the company I'm on location with, we're going to talk about here in a minute. They do a lot of CBDs. They have a lot of, got them, some of their labeling here, got them in a little hot water. We'll talk about it here in a second, my friends. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world. My friends, it's incumbent upon you to know what's going on if you're going to be an investor in this business, because there's a lot going on in a lot of different countries. You would have been straight up, you'd have known Italy had something going on. We've been talking about Italy for months, and now Aurora has gotten a contract to do medical cannabis in Italy. That's going to be big in years to come, my friends. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. There's a lot of legalization going on, my friends. If you have a chance, take a look at my hearing, the Senate hearing on cannabis. I have my take on it here just the other day. I don't know when you're going to see this video, but you take a look at that and you'll get an idea of really what's going on. CNBC has done a good job. C-SPAN has done a good job on covering the Senate hearing for cannabis, banking in cannabis. That's a, you can go to, you can catch that out anywhere, my friends. Anywhere, it's being taped all over. But the African Marijuana Gold Mine, Richmond on Soul meets Wall Street. There's a lot going on in Africa. As you know, page 97, we talked about Charlotte's Web, the crossbreeding. Before Charlotte's Web was even a company, my friends, we were talking about that strong strain in the African Marijuana Gold Mine. A lot of books out there. I write these books because I want you to be on top of it. I want you to have the unfair advantage. I want all my subscribers to be way ahead. Like one of my subscribers said, I want you to be light years ahead of the competition in this business. And as most of you know, Mickey D puts it on paper, on black and white, because otherwise, you know, it comes down to a credibility thing, my friends. I want to tell you about a company that I can't trust. A company like CannTrust. There's nothing in any of our books where you'll see, in any of our where you'll see CannTrust, or we'll say even take a look at Can. It boils down to trust, my friends. And there are other companies that we trust and we got burned on. You know, it happens both ways. But we're in front of I'm in front of Acres Dispensary in Las Vegas. Now, Acres is expanding. They've got a lot of things going on over to the side. I'll show you here in a second. Their big facility. Curaleaf, about roughly 4 months ago, Curaleaf bought Acres. Now, Acres has been in the news here the last couple days because they had an incident. But I believe Morningstar analyst Christopher Inton basically puts it right where it should be, my friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. I appreciate you. I thank you for listening to the ads, the commercials. You can go ahead and tap one of those, my friends, because the training is there. You won't miss anything here. I won't show you any graphs. I won't be showing you a lot of charts and all. I'll talk about them, but I won't be showing them to you. So you can just set your electronic device and forget it, my friends. Now, let me tell you about Morningstar analyst Christopher Inton. Let me tell you about what he said about Curaleaf. And this is no long-term impact on FDA crackdown on Curaleaf's CBD marketing. Now, he believes that the shares remain undervalued. Let me tell you a little bit about what he says and just bring you up to date here on what's going on here. On July 22nd, the Food and Drug Administration sent a warning letter to Curaleaf, C-U-R-A, on the over-the-counter, regarding the marketing of its CBD products. Now, the FDA stated that Curaleaf CBD products, including its different products, were not approved. They were misbranded as drugs, and only the FDA can approve drugs. So they were not approved they were not approved by the FDA. And this is serious. Now, when you say a drug cures cancer or drug cures this or that, you got to have some backup. I mean, you gotta, I've been in this business for a minute, my friends. You got to have some backup. You got to have some backup, or you got to have some tapes out there, or you got to show some things out there. And there's some companies out there that do a really good job of documenting what they prove or what they say their product does. And what the FDA is saying is this stuff is unsubstantiated. So the shares dropped, Curaleaf dropped it, but this is what I admire about Curaleaf. Okay, let me just finish up here with the analyst. He's looking at a $15 price target, fair market value estimate, and that's his rating, and he's going to keep it. And we continue to think Curaleaf is undervalued and view the current share price as a good entry point. That's his view on it right now. It gives investors an opportunity to pure exposure in the U.S. cannabis market, which is long-term growth, and it's the biggest in the world. So some things we know, my friends. But let me tell you what Curaleaf did. As the rain comes down here, I'm getting you in the rain, my friends. Curaleaf responded within hours. Now, that's different from that other company we talked about. Now, a lot of people lost a lot of money, and I feel for those people. They were lied to. There were some cheats. I told you, they're criminals. That other company, they should be going to jail. That's where they should be going. Curaleaf responded within hours. They responded to the FDA's warning letter. This is what you're supposed to do. As I told some of my subscribers, within 48 hours, man, there's got to be a knock on that door. There's got to be a wake-up call. You have to respond, and your shareholders have to be assured that everything is okay. Well, you look at, we have an example, the CannTrust example. No response. Okay, we did it. Well, we're finding out you did a whole lot much more, than just that little bit. There was a whole lot to it, and there's more to come. So anybody that thinks a company cannot go to zero, my friends, I'm a witness. I'm a witness, my friends. Since the .coms, my friends, I've been doing this since before the .coms. I've seen companies go from 100 to 0. So you people thinking that there's going to be some magic bounce or something, slow your roll. Just slow your roll with that company. Now, back to Curaleaf. Curaleaf came out and bam, we're going to correct this, bam. Took the things down, the tweets, and got rid of all that stuff. They just, boom, we're going to get rid of it. Then we're going to show you our evidence. Then we're going to follow up, and we're going to make a wrong a right. That's the way Curaleaf handled it. And you can appreciate that as a shareholder, which I am. I have a small stake in Curaleaf. But right now, hey, I'm about even. So I think I'll check my account. I was about 5% down or so on Curaleaf with this last go down. But my friends, I tend to agree with the Morningstar analyst. I tend to agree that Curaleaf may not suffer as bad as some people think they may suffer. They may be right back in the groove here in a couple weeks or so. But there is a little damage done because they had that nice contract with CVS, and CVS has decided, well, we'll pull some things until we get this straight. We might, we're going to evaluate it. Everybody's taking a look. Everybody's evaluating as the rain gets a little harder here. Everybody's taking a look, and they're going to see what this is all about, my friends. I'm getting rained out here. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. I love the likes, the comments and stuff. Keep them coming, my friends. I love it. Share the videos. We love it. Once again, we're on location, boots on the ground, putting it down. Curaleaf, their Acres dispensary here in Las Vegas, which I'm going to show you the other side here. The rain is coming down, so maybe I'll show you here. Let me show you here. Curaleaf a little bit. You got Curaleaf here, and on the side they have an additional huge building over there. It's a little windy. They have a huge building, and that building is going to be a processing building. As you can see, huge little area. It's going to be processing, and Acres will have it going on, my friends. It's going to be a good company. Good company. Good long-run company with exposure in America, my friends. Sorry it's so wobbly. Sorry about the lighting. You guys know I'm not an expert at this stuff. But thank you very much. I appreciate you, believe me, watching the videos, watching sharing the videos, giving me a like, joining, being a subscriber, watching the ads. Just set it and forget it, my friends. You're not going to miss anything. I'm not going to be showing you any charts or anything. But Curaleaf is a company on the up and up. I can vouch for them. This is my maybe third time out to visit them. Management is always good. The employees are good. This is good. This is a Curaleaf with their property here, Acres in and their underground here in Las Vegas is going to be a true winner in the long run, my friends. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.